Good day, good evening, good afternoon. Hopefully you guys are enjoying wherever you are this beautiful day today. This is Roger signing in from BFN, Business Financial Network. And we're here talking to you guys about the first trading day in 2021. It was a really interesting day today. A lot of indices went red. A lot of these large cap companies got a chance to, what I believe come down from their really overbought valuations. And more importantly, some of the stocks that I told you guys about on the weekend that closed on Friday at the prices that were relative to the Bitcoin trading activity that happened over the weekend, all those stocks did extremely well. So the first one, as I told you guys last video, my number one Bitcoin stock is CWRK, trading on the TSXV Venture and the OTC. And we're gonna look at that one right now. And as you can see today, this is this chart from today. It started off the day at around, the 60-cent mark, and it climbed rather fast. It went all the way to 90, the high 90s, started balancing off midway throughout the day, and then started going up in excess of $1, $1, $2, came right back down to end off the day at 88 cents, up 62%. So again, our members that got a chance to get into this stock at 17 cents in our private trading club, congratulations, you guys done unbelievable. A lot of people got a chance to take their profits and take a new position to continuously increase the market cap of this underexposed and undervalued security here on the TS Venture. We've been getting a lot of feedback about the channel and how things are happening, and as you see, the channel is going to evolve, as with the community evolves. So we appreciate all the feedback, all the ideas about lighting, background, all that fun stuff. We're working as hard as we can to meet the expectations of all the fun YouTubers out there. Really, in essence, we're looking forward to be with you every day and talk to you guys about these material developments that are happening in the market. Speaking of another material development, did you guys get a chance to check out BTBT? BTBT is another one that today had a really big day. It's on the NASDAQ, trading under the symbol BTBT, okay? And it started off the day at 23, above 24, teetered around, came back down below 24, went in up excess of 31.54, and closed off the day at 29.27. So again, all the members that got a chance to get into that security in its infancy, around the $10 mark, last week, congratulations. Again, moving right along, another one that we spoke about was BTCG.U, another Bitcoin related stock security. Today's one had a massive, monstrous day. Started off the day at, looks around like 12 and change, just below 1380, and finish off the day at 17.51. So again, it jumped up in excess of $19 during intraday trading. Again, BTCG is connected to the Bitcoin rise. In our opinion, this is going to only go one place, and that's up. I want to get into a little bit more about some of these securities that we're talking about today. I want to talk to you guys a bit about them and what their material developments are and how they've been able to do some of the things they've been able to do. So let's go over CWRK on the TSX Venture Exchange. So the most recent news filing was on December 16th, 2020. This is the intraday trading that I showed you earlier before on a different platform called Webull. As you can see, it's relatively the same, just a different outlook. We've been getting a lot of questions from a lot of people saying, hey, listen, how do we start looking at stocks? How do we start doing trading? It first and foremost starts right here. This is where due diligence and this is where research starts. This is the beginning of your learning process, right? This is a big part of it. So CurrencyWorks, Odyssey Trust, and the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE, announced a security token reporting system. Toronto, Ontario, Los Angeles, California, December 16th, 2020. TSX Venture, CWRK, on the OTC CWRK, builds and operates FinTech Platforms as a service for digital currencies, security tokens, and digital assets. Today announced the development of a security token reporting system that can immediately be deployed to drive value for public issuers. The blockchain platform has been developed through a partnership between CurrencyWorks and the Canadian Securities Exchange and Odyssey Trust Company. A unique securities token can be associated with each issuer on the CSE and opts into the platform, enabling Odyssey Trust to provide issuers with deeper reporting information and enhanced transfer agent services. The blockchain reporting system will run parallel to existing clearing and settlement services for CSE issuers. CurrencyWorks will provide various integration services as well as testnet and smart contract platforms. These will be used to test and validate the process of issuing security tokens. Cameron Schell, chairman of CurrencyWorks, stated, security tokens are gaining increasing acceptance in jurisdictions around the world, providing issuers and investors with an innovative way to create value and liquidity. We are pleased to partner with Odyssey Trust and the CSE to launch the system. Bruce Elliott, the president of CurrencyWorks, said, this excitement announcement highlights the tremendous value inherent in security tokens. We see security tokens offerings as an ideal vehicle for resource companies and seeking to raise capital by utilizing their reserves or future sales without diluting their current equity. They should also be appealing to these companies in the pharmaceutical and technology industries, as well as any company with a recurring revenue model. Richard Carlton, CEO of the CSE, said the CSE is committed to leading international exchange markets in the listing and trading of regulated security tokens. And we are pleased to be collaborating with CurrencyWorks and Odyssey Trust to support the infrastructure enabling security token offerings in Canada. We have seen tremendous interest in security tokens among both existing and potential CSE issuers. Jane Kay, the CEO of Odyssey Trust, added, we believe this innovation platform is capable of delivering improved liquidity, greater market access, and long-term efficiencies. So guys, this in essence, when you have 85 million shares issued and outstanding, the stock, we brought it to our private trading group at 18 cents, and today it closed at 88. Again, these are those small cap opportunities that have an opportunity to get to $3, $4, $5 in the next 3 to 6 months. So again, this is one of those ones we'd like you to spend some time, focus on it, do your own due diligence. Again, we are not financial advisors. We are just here for the purpose of inspiring, educating, and empowering people to build their trading confidence, making relatable research and finance made easy, and trading made simple. And it's really not brain surgery. All you need to do is go out there, apply yourself. The information's out there. When I was growing up, there wasn't this amount of information at my fingertips. But these days, you guys are, in our community, we have such an aggressive group of really intelligent, smart traders that these people are so resourceful that they're able to find out intricate details about these companies, you know, driving around, finding out about manufacturing, finding about sales, finding about test markets, finding about, you know, new material, you know, developments in these companies. So it's important. It's really important. All the securities we talked about today are all cryptocurrency related. There's a couple other ones that I want to talk to you guys about. I'll leave it you guys alone for now. And when it comes down to it, we appreciate your time. Thank you very much. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off for the BFN.